listeners, welcome. I'm Molly. What we're going to do today is we're going to go on an exploration for rocks. Because kids come to this farm and they see the calves, and they see the trees, and they see the garden, and the cows, and chickens, and turkeys, and pigs, like you've been seeing on the videos. But they also find lots of cool rocks, because rocks rock. So we're going to go on a little treasure hunt and see what we can find. Come on. I'm going to put them into my bucket and we're going to see what we have. That are all of our rocks. So now let's see what we got. We got a really smooth one, probably weathered away from a stream, water, and all the pieces have eroded away. Mostly white and a black line in it. Move this off to the side. We got a really shiny one. It's kind of in layers. Probably a metamorphic rock. There's 3 different types of metamorphic. Igneous and sedimentary. Here in Vermont, we mostly have metamorphic igneous. And this one's probably igneous. It's got some quartz in it, kind of shiny, lots of different cool colors. Well, this one's super shiny. It has some mineral mica in it. We got a giant rock. Really, really smooth, also probably weathered away by the sand and the wind and the water. We got a lot of really cool crystally ones. And the slower the minerals cooled when they were underground, the bigger the crystals are. Lots of rocks that are shiny, which is really why our students like them. Ah, here it is. So we got one that's clear, and that's a mica. And mica's a mineral, and when you're outside, or especially around the farm, our ground kind of sparkles. Or if you get it on your hands sparkle. It's from the mineral mica. We got a couple more rocks in there. Well, that was the collection we found. So there are ways to identify them. There's lots of books to really be able to figure out what type of rock is each type of rock. There's people whose job that is just to identify rocks. They're called geologists. So if you're interested in rocks, you can look up some books. You could become a geologist. You can start your own rock collection right at your own back door. So have fun and go rock on!